How to install Windows apps if you're not an administrator. Download the app you want to install. Drag the installer to your Documents folder. Create a new folder for the installer and other related files. Move the installer to the new folder. Right-click blank screen and click New, and then click Text Document. Name the document anything you want and press Enter. Type this into the text document after you open it. Save the file as a .bat file. Double-click the batch file to install the program. The installer will launch and walk you through the installation process without the need for admin rights. Thank you.